Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Okay, my name is Muhammad Akbar Setyodarawan and I'm from Department of English Education, Islamic State University Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. Okay, and today I am excited to share with you a book that has been incredibly helpful in my studies and teaching journey. Okay, so the book is How to Teach English by Jeremy Harmer, published by Edison Leslie Woolman in 1998. Okay, so this reference book spans 190 pages and falls under the genres of educational reference. Okay, and then focus on essential aspects of teaching and learning English. Okay, so before I delve into the specifics of how to teach English by Jeremy Harmers, okay, let's take a moment to explore the background of the author, Jeremy Harmer. His expertise and experience in English language teaching have greatly influenced these insightful guides. So, Jeremy Harmer is a renowned educator and author in the fields of English language teaching. So, with decades of experience, he has authored numerous books and articles that have become foundational resources for English teachers worldwide. His practical insights and theoretical expertise make this book, which is How to Teach English, a trusted guide in the field. Okay, now let's dive into the specific chapters of these books. Okay, Chapter 1, How to be a good teacher. Chapter 2, How to be a good learner. Chapter 3, How to manage teaching and learning. Then chapter 4, how to describe learning and teaching. Chapter 5, how to teach language. Chapter 6, how to teach reading. And then chapter 7, how to teach writing. Chapter 8, how to teach speaking. Chapter 9, how to teach listening. Chapter 10, how to use textbooks. And then chapter 11, how to plan lessons. And then last, chapter 12, which is what if. Okay, so the first chapters, how to be a good teacher. So these chapters, which is Harmer outlines the criteria for becoming a successful teacher and offers practical advice on how to teach and achieve excellence in teaching. So this chapter sets the foundations for understanding what it takes and to inspire and educate effectively. It emphasizes the importance of patience, empathy, and continuous professional development. So making it an essential for reading and aspiring educators. Okay, and then chapter 2, how to be a good learner. So this chapter dives into the skills and characteristics essential for effective learning. So Harmer discusses the role of motivation, curiosity, and self-disciplines in becoming a successful learner. So this chapter provides a valuable insights on how learners can enhance their learning abilities, making it easier for educators to guide their students towards academic success. So it's particularly beneficial for educators to seeking to understand the dynamics of student engagements and motivations. And then chapter 3, which is how to manage teaching and learning. Okay, so this chapter is a treasure trove for educators. Why? Because covering classroom management strategies, assessment techniques, and how to create an optimal learning environment. Okay, so Harmer provides a practical tips on maintaining discipline, fostering a positive classroom atmosphere, and using assessment as a tool for student improvement. It's indispensable for both, which is new and experienced teacher looking to enhance their instructional practices. Okay, and then chapter 4, which is how to describe learning and teaching. So this chapter delves into the theoretical concepts behind the learning process. Harmer explores various learning theories and their practical applications in educational settings. So educators gain insights on how students absorb and retain information, which is informs more effective teaching strategies. So this chapter equips teachers with a deeper understanding and of cognitive development and learning styles, facilitating tailored instruction. Then chapter 5, how to teach language. So in chapter 5, Harmer explores various language teaching strategies and approaches. So from grammar focused methods to communicative language teaching. Educators discover practical techniques to facilitate language acquisition and proficiency among students. So this chapter emphasizes the importance of immersive learning experience and the effective of use of instructional materials in language classroom. Then chapter 6, how to teach reading. So this chapter provides educators with recommendations for professionals development in reading instructions. Okay, so Harmer discusses strategies to improve reading comprehension, vocabulary acquisition, and critical thinking skills. So educators learn how to select appropriate reading materials, design engaging activities, and assess students' reading progress effectively. Okay, and then chapter 7, how to teach writing. This chapter focuses on developing students' writing skills through proven strategies and techniques. So Harmer emphasizes the process approach to writing, guiding educators on how to scaffold writing tasks, provides constructive feedback, and promote creativity in student compositions. Okay, so this chapter is a valuable resource for educators in aiming to nurture effective communicators in written expression. And then chapter 8, which is how to teach speaking. Harmers offers insights into teaching speaking skills, providing educators with practical methods to help students become confident and articulate speakers, from pronunciation drills to interactive speaking tasks. So this chapter emphasizes the importance of fluency, accuracy, and communicative competence in oral communications. So educators gain strategies to create supportive environments where students feel empowered to express themselves verbally. And then chapter 9, how to teach listening. So chapter 9 outlines strategies to improve students' listening comprehension abilities. Harmer discusses the importance of active listening skills, which is strategies for understanding spoken language in various contexts, and techniques to enhance auditory discriminations. So this chapter is essential for educators looking to enhance their teaching methods in auditory comprehensions and foster effective communication skills. Chapter 10, which is how to use textbooks. Okay, so this chapter guides educators on effectively utilizing textbooks in teaching process. So Harmer discusses how to select, adapt, and supplement textbook material to aligns with instructional objectives and engage students effectively. So educators learn to strategies to integrate textbook content, which is with interactive learning activities, ensuring comprehensive understanding and applications of subject matter. Then chapter 11, how to plan lessons. So chapter 11 offers a systematic approach to lessons planning, ensuring educators can create structured and engaging learning experiences for their students. So Harmer discusses the components of effective lessons plans, including learning objective, instructional strategies, assessment methods, and resources. So educators gain practical tools to tailor lessons to meet diverse student needs and promote active learning and achieve learning outcomes. And then last is chapter 12, what if? So finally, chapter 12 addresses common challenges in teaching, such as handling diverse students' levels, overcoming barriers like reluctance to speak, and difficulties in understanding listening material. So Harmer provides practical solutions and classroom and tested strategies to mitigate these challenges, promoting inclusive teaching practice and fostering supportive learning environment for all students. Okay, so all of that are the benefits and the explanations of each chapter in this book. So, in my opinion, this book, which is How to Teach English by Jeremy Harmer, is a helpful guide for English teachers. It provides practical teaching tips and useful theories on topics like managing classroom, planning lessons, and teaching language skills. Harmer's clear writing styles make it easy for both new and experienced teachers to improve their teaching methods and helps students learn better. Okay, so whether you are a student aspiring to become an educator or a seasoned teacher looking to refine your teaching strategies, How to Teach English by Jeremy Harmer is an indispensable guide. It equips you with a practical tools and insightful strategies and also theoretical foundations to enhance your teaching skills effectively. So I think don't miss out on this valuable resource that will empower you to inspire and educate with confidence. Okay, I think that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.